our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install the Gradle. The version 6.5 is the latest version on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, which I am using. The same method you can follow on Debian and Linux Mint, and you can also install on Ubuntu 18.04 or 19.04 or 10, whatever version. The method and procedure are same for the installation. Okay, this is officially website for this Gradle. There you can go and check the version. So when I was making this video, the version, this latest version is 6.5 for this one. So I will write it here on 6.5 version. Okay, so just replace the version which you want to install, a particular version, okay, in place of 6.5. and for that one we need compulsory, for this mandatory I can say, this OpenJDK we need to have. That's a company. If you go into my channel, I have made a video on how to install JDK and how to remove also, and also you can install the particular version of the JDK or Java also. Okay, so we need 8 actually for this one Gradle. So if you didn't install, you can just copy this command and you can install also from here also, or you can watch that my channel also, videos in my, if you go to my channel there is a video, you can watch it, that is also okay. So this is the method, and after typing you can just type java space hyphen version to see whether which version this has been installed, or before installation you can check whether which version I have been installed is already or not. So this is the Java part. Okay, if you watch my previous video, in that detailed explanation is there about that one Java. Okay, so in that also I have installed 20.04. so let's see the download part we came. So for downloading, this is a command actually here is there till this is the for downloading Gradle. Okay, this is the path where I am going to store the Gradle download. It will be stored inside the folder of software. Okay, so in place of this path you can change it, you can give anywhere, or you can remove. If you remove, it will be installed under the home only. Okay, so just copy this complete path so that it will be, this software will be installed directly into my software folder. Inside this path it will be installed Gradle. Okay, the size is 98 MB for this one, and the version which I told you, it will be 6.5 latest one. In place of that one you can give the any version. This is unzip. Okay, so you can use sudo also here, sudo unzip opt Gradle. That means the download part, the Gradle will be downloaded into that software folder. Okay, we are extracting the Gradle inside the opt folder. Okay, into OTP directory. Okay, extracting here. So the download actually Gradle has been done here, but we are extracting inside the OTP folder. Okay, so this is actually very important because the Gradle work on anywhere, not important. You can, if you want to change, you can change also, but I'm keeping the default one. And for the after, whether it's, this is to verify whether it's extracted or not inside the folder. Let's check the download is completed. So I'm just typing this one is there command. So sorry, this one is already has been done now. So remove this one, and I am going to type this one. Okay, the path is it. So replace the download path with your path. Okay, so that is completed. Let's type ls and to see the Gradle has been extracted into the OTP directory or not. So you can see this is extracted with this folder file. So I've been already came. So remember, if you want to just, if you have downloaded Gradle in somewhere folder or somewhere path in some other directory, means just replace this one and give that one here also the same. Okay, so and we want to edit the environment variable. Okay, for the startup. So I'm creating one file here. So this is the new file actually with the name of gradle.sh. that is a script actually. So that it will be run, and we are going to, I'm going to copy and paste that into that my script. Okay, so nano is nothing but we are creating in the new file with the name of Gradle, and as such is the script. Okay, and inside that script I am going to copy and paste it, so that it automatically boot and start all those in script, export, nothing else. And this version which you want to replace, the latest one which you want to give, you can give that version, whatever the version you have installed, so replace that one. And the permission which I am giving 6+ permission, so for that one, okay, so that's done. The profile, inside that one, the Gradle script, I have created the folder. You can create anywhere the folder, just replace the path anywhere and you can create it. Okay, so this is the source one. We'll check whether the source file or not, so that just done. Now verifying, typing Gradle -v. So on the screen you can see, so my the Gradle as a spelling I have been put it wrong here, so I will take it here from. See on the screen you can see the Gradle. Welcome to the Gradle. This 6.5 has been installed. Along with that one, it's installed this. So with the website which I have already told you. So if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel and share my channels to your friends and relatives. So this is my Ubuntu which I have told you, Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Okay.